Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: an active Geo 5G SIM and a 5G capable phone, so start immediately. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Network and Access Point names. Once there, tap Add to create a new APN. You do this because the APN tells your phone how to route mobile data and enable 5G data channels. Once the blank form is up, prepare to enter specific fields, name, APN string, and protocol so the network recognizes your connection. You fill each field carefully because each value controls behavior. Set name to something memorable and APN to Geonet. Choose APN protocol IP4/IP6 to support both address types. For APN type, enter default, SupleSO data and assisted services work. Put MCC 405 and MNC 857 so the handset matches Geo's network. Set authentication type to none unless instructed otherwise. Once done, tap the three-dot menu or Save, then make sure to select the new profile so the phone uses it. After saving and selecting the new APN, restart your phone to apply the settings and clear caches. When it reboots, toggle mobile data off and on, then set preferred network type to 5G where available. This forces the handset to register with Geo 5G. Test browsing and a speed check. If data still fails, reset the APN or network settings and reinsert the SIM. One key troubleshooting tip: enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, disable it, and reselect the new APN before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.